I'm super excited.
Yes, I'm super excited.
I'm super excited.
Yes, I'm super excited.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's a really fun video. It's a little early. This lip gloss keeps getting on my teeth, sorry. It's a little earlier than it's supposed to be released, but I do have the Smokey Glow and Midas collab. Now, I did get this a little bit early because Rocio, the owner of Midas, wanted me to take some pictures for her. So I do have the collection. I don't have the PR box. The PR boxes actually haven't been sent out yet. Those will be sent out, I believe, on February 10th for the PR group. But I got it a little early to get some pictures with, and she has actually sent me the entire collection, which will come with the PR box, for you guys so I can host a giveaway for you. So I am extremely grateful for that because I get to do a giveaway. Every single one of these items will be in this giveaway. On top of that, today for the release, because this came out when it was actually released, I personally bought another palette for you guys to do a giveaway on my Instagram. So my Instagram handle, I'll go ahead and put that above for you guys. But so I am doing two giveaways with the Smokey Glow collab. So if you guys haven't gotten a chance to purchase it yet, you can win the entire collection, and also you can win a palette over on my Instagram. So this one is for every single item, and we're going to go over everything. But I would just like to say a huge thank you to Rocio for sending me these. I hope my pictures are good. I tried. I got roses and everything. I heard that Hannah, Smokey Glow, loved roses, and there is a shade in there that is for her mom, and the shade name is Rose. Hannah's middle name is also Rose. My daughter's middle name is also Rose. So I got some fresh roses and did the photo shoot with these. And I also put glitter on the petals and did some pretty shots with glitter petals. So anyways, let's get into this, y'all. I know you're so excited about it. So first off, if you guys are interested in buying any of these and you want to purchase something or anything from Midas, you can always use my code. It's KEARA. There is a ton of other affiliate codes out there if you want to use them. I mean, if you like to save money, it saves you 20% unless she's having a much bigger sale. But you guys do not have to use my code at all. But if you want to, it's there. You guys can click the link below to shop. But let's go ahead and go over all of these. So the prices for everything is the PR box in total, if you wanted the entire box, is $75. So that comes with the box and everything, but you can use the 20% off and it is much cheaper. The palette by itself is $36 and it does have 18 shades. This is such a perfect palette for Valentine's Day, you guys. Seriously, look at that. It's amazing. The lip glosses, I believe they're actually being sold as singles. I think I read that somewhere that Hannah had said that. But the trio for the lip glosses is $25 and the highlighter duo is $21. So we'll go over all of this. But I just want to say a huge congratulations to Hannah, Smokey Glow, and also Rocio. I think I started watching Hannah probably when she had about 25,000 subscribers, and she just has blown up since then. So I've really just kind of watched her do commentary on her videos because she's like a commentary makeup kind of channel, and I just love to watch her while I do my makeup, and I love just listening to her. She is so honest. I know that if I am watching something and she's reviewing a product, I can trust it. And I always want to trust a YouTuber, and she is one of the ones that I can trust. One of the rare ones that I can trust. But a huge congratulations to her. I mean, she did this. Like, it's nice, you guys. I can't wait to show you. So let me show you each of these products. Now, this is the highlighter duo. I did use both of these on my face today. They are really pretty. The pink one is pretty pink. And the gold one is actually really nice on my skin tone, which has a little bit of yellow, so colors like this are actually kind of nice. But I feel like a fair skin would look better in the pink. I think this might be a little too deep for a fair skin. And deeper skin tones, I feel like both of these could work, because this one, even though it's pink, it's really, really soft, and it could even be a blush topper, which is how I used it today. I ended up using it as a blush topper, and then I used the highlight just right here up the sides on my nose, chin, head area. But it's beautiful. The colors are slay, and yes! Alright, if you see yes like that, do you guys ever say yes? Or do you say yes? Because that's what I do. Yes, these are the glosses. Glosses always get all over my teeth. It's just part of my face. But let's go on to the glosses. Now I do try all three of these on for you guys, but let me swatch them real quick on the back of my hand because they're pretty. Oh, so pretty. This is Hi Friends. This is actually a really beautiful coral color. It kind of gives you that like popsicle lip look. So here's Hi Friends. These are pretty thick, so I think I went a little heavy-handed, and it's got like that like a goopy kind of feel. So maybe don't go in as heavy-handed as I did. Oops. And they smell really nice. They have like this strawberry scent to them. So this one is Sparkle On. Oh, am I getting, yeah. I just got pink in it because I'm a dumbass. Alright, sorry guys, my camera cut out. I don't know where it cut out. But there is row 1. I think I'll be able to get row 2. And then I'll go ahead and do row 3 on this arm. So let's move on to the second. This is my favorite shade in the palette. This is Nutty. And then this is Colleague. Now Colleague is spelled wrong on the first palettes. So the second palettes that are created after this, Colleague will be spelled correctly. This is Warrior, which is not quite red. It's got a little bit of pink in there, actually. It's like a strawberry red. And this is Vote, which I like that she added Vote because, I mean, it really is so important. Nutty is so pretty. It is a duochrome. So it does shift from this like icy blue to this really beautiful pink. This is such a Valentine's Day palette, you guys. I love it. Alright, so there is the first 2 rows. This is Hello. I don't know how I'm going to do this. I don't normally swatch with this hand. Half Pony, a Rant in asterisks, and Cold Brew. Oh, that one's so pretty. It's like a Barbie pink. I did use this shade today in this look. Half Pony. It's so pretty. A Rant. Cold Brew. You can't really see that one on my skin, but it's pretty. And then finally Content and Dofa. My nails are just ruining these. Oh my gosh. Oh, Dofa is so pretty. It's like a black, dark brown with like a blackberry shift to it, and here is the 3rd row. That is really it for this collection. It's really beautiful. It's perfect for Valentine's Day. If you guys love pinks or reds or like more of the cooler tones for browns and purples and pinks, then I think you guys are gonna absolutely love this. And I didn't plan this out, but Jump Cut basically matches my top here. That's kind of perfect actually. And the pinks. Oh, cool. This is just a palette made for this shirt basically. Let me go over the rules for the giveaway. So you will be getting a brand new palette highlighter, and all 3 lipsticks. So when that gets here, I will be giving you my PR items instead of these. These are the ones sent early to me. So that's awesome for you guys. Make sure you're subscribed to me. Make sure that you have your subscriptions on public around the time that I'm going to be picking the winner, just so I can double check and make sure you're subscribed. And basically, let me know in the comments if you're subscribed to Smokey Glow. I would highly suggest subscribing to her. She's really like engaging, and I like listening to her while I put on makeup. It's like very calming. It's like me time, like you're talking to a friend. It's like that. But let me know in the comments which one of these is your absolute favorite. Like, what's the one thing, if you could get anything, would be the one thing that you absolutely wanted, or even got for that matter. I mean, heck, if you bought something, you still can win all 3 of these things. So just let me know in the comments. And I'm going to end this February 21st. So you guys have 3 weeks to enter. But thank you again so much, Rocio, for sending these to me. Congratulations, Hannah. And yeah, that's all I have. Let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. So I am going in with the highlighters. I'm actually going to use both. I'm going to use Yes first, and then I'm going to put Slay down as a topper. That's actually really beautiful. It's not like a wet looking highlight. It does blend in nicely, and it looks good with my skin tone. So I thought it was going to be too dark because it is like really gold in the pan, but if I don't pack this on a lot, I think that's the perfect amount, and I think it looks really pretty. Alright, now I'm going in with Slay, but I'm going to use this as more of a blush topper, And I'm just gonna pop it right here on my cheek. Ooh, that's really pretty. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's really pretty. Oh, that one's pretty. Ooh, I like it. Oh my gosh, it's so I need to keep putting it on. It's so pretty. All right, you guys, I have finished. I love the palette, you guys. I've always loved Midas's formula. It's always really pigmented and easy to blend, and everything just lasts all day. I've worn her palettes for 12 hours, nothing. Like, no creasing, no fading, no fallout. Now, there was fallout with some of the shimmers, so I always end up doing my eyes first and then put my foundation on so I don't have that problem. So there was a little bit of fallout with like Dofa. That one had some. It's a little bit of a crumblier formula, but the mattes were really beautiful. I didn't have any problem with the mattes, but that's just things to expect with any kind of palette. So there was absolutely no issues. All these were super pigmented. If you guys saw the swatches, you guys could see which one was your favorite. This one is very, just barely there. Just a very soft amount of sparkle. There's not a ton of color with this one. It is kind of just a gloss to put on if you're just heading out the door real quick. You can just put this on and feel good about yourself. This one, ultra sparkly. Ultra sparkly. This one is a beautiful, like, coral pink shade. It looks pretty red in here, but when it's on the lips, it does turn more coral colored. And I love it. It's kind of like a really popsicle-y looking lip. Popsicle-y, that's a name. That's words. And the highlights and the blush, you guys heard what I heard about. You guys heard what I heard about that. Where am I going with this video other than up in the air? What's going on today? Anyways, you guys heard what I thought about the palette for the highlights. So that is really all I have. Make sure you enter the giveaway if you want to win all of these products, and I will be having a giveaway over on my Instagram, so keep an eye out for that. Here's my handle again. It's also in the description, and I will be giving away a palette. So that's all I have for this video, you guys. I will see you in my next one. Bye!
Bye!
Bye!